Today we have the Hershey's chocolate caramel creamer by International Delight. Now, this is really good because as you can see, it has the Hershey's at the bottom and then it has the caramel. And it is only 35 calories, 35. And it does taste really good. So if you love, and it smells like chocolate. So if you are a big fan of chocolate and Hershey's, then this is for you because it's basically caramel and chocolate together. So basically a chocolate caramel treat to make the morning complete sweet. A chocolate caramel treat to make the morning complete sweet. So that's what it says there. So I do really recommend you getting this if you are a fan of Hershey's chocolate. But like I said, this is by International Delight, one of my favorite coffee brands to get. So if you are wanting to try International Delight, please try this coffee, International Delight. But always look at the top here to see what flavor you want. And then sometimes if it does say low sugar, it'll usually have it, like this one doesn't say it, but it'll usually have it like under the brand name. It'll usually say low sugar or something like that. It's only 2% grams of fat, and all your new good little nutrition here. But this is actually one of my favorites because I'm already a chocolate lover. Like, I love chocolate as it is. So when it came to getting the Hershey's one, I was like, ooh, this one is perfect. Now I know they do have some white chocolate Hershey's, but I don't know if they have the white chocolate Hershey's in the coffee creamer. Like, I never seen white chocolate Hershey's or milk, anything like that in coffee creamer. So if you're looking for white chocolate, I don't know if they have it because I haven't really never seen it. But all I know is this is a 10 out of 10 because this Hershey's chocolate is really, really good to pour in your coffee. And I know everybody's not a coffee lover. Some people prefer tea over coffee. But if you are a coffee lover, I recommend you trying this scent. Now, excuse me. If you don't want to get it because of the sugar, you can always look for a low sugar creamer in this scent. Because that's all I can tell you. Like, I don't know what else to tell you if you don't want sugar. I don't know how much. I mean, it's like, I don't know if you could see how much is left in here. But it's like half or less than half, if that makes any sense. Like less than half. So you can tell that I've been using this to death. Like, I love it. It doesn't take a lot. You just pop off your top and pour it in your cup. It doesn't take a lot. But I know sometimes when you do pour stuff, it comes out fast and it ends up being a lot. So you just don't need a lot. And so it's really tasty to go with your morning coffee. Just know when you first buy these, when you first get it, you're going to have to screw off the top. And then since I already used it there's going to be like that silver or gray plastic and you just peel off the plastic. Or you could punch a hole in the plastic and then pour it. It's up to you. And then there's going to be like 2 of them. So, like the little plastics that might be on like when you're opening like a bottle of milk or something. Like when you buy it brand new at the store. And then another thing is like once you open the top, there's going to be another clear plastic and you'll have to peel that off as well. So that way the coffee creamer will be able to pour gently. So just know that you might have to, like, if you try to pour it and none's coming out, then that's probably why. You're gonna be like, oh my God, let me open it to pour because you know how like they seal everything in the stores. So when you buy it, you're gonna have to take the top off to remove the plastic and then screw it on so you can pour it. Because I made that mistake before where I had opened the creamer and I wasn't even really paying attention. I was pouring it and I was like, why is my creamer not coming out? And that's because the seal was still on it. So I had to take off the top and put the seal on there. But I rate this creamer a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 because it's just that good. Like, I always had been a big fan of chocolate ever since I was born, ever since I was a little kid. So that's why I'm like, oh, I'm already obsessed with Hershey's chocolate creamer. Like, this is usually my all go-to times creamer because every time I go to the store, I pick up Hershey's chocolate. Now, there is other flavors of creamers that I will get, but I do pick up the Hershey's chocolate by International Delight. Like I said, there might be other brands out there besides International Delight, but International Delight is, I know, a real popular brand that I have seen in the United States where I am. So that's why you might always see my coffee creamer say International Delight, because that's just a brand. But yeah, but that is the International Delight Hershey's chocolate caramel creamer. It's only 35 calories. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave your comments down below. If you have also enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.